Hi everyone, today I have brought another dessert recipe. This dessert that easily melts in our mouth. This is one of the most delicious dessert that is made very easily. So do try it. Come, let's start. Now first take a tray and spread the desiccated coconut. This is a dry coconut. I have taken a tray of 25 to 16 centimeter. Now take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Now you have to add 2 cups of milk. This milk I am using in room temperature. Now you have to add 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Now to avoid lumps, whisk the mixture stirring vigorously. You will not get creamy structure if this mixture has lumps. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now mix it well. There should be no lumps in this mixture. Now switch on the stove. Now you have to cook it in low to medium flame. Stir it continuously, otherwise it will burn and lumps will form. You have to cook this until we get a little bit thick. You can see my mixture has become thick. Now reduce the heat, turn into low. Now I am going to add butter, that is unsalted butter, 10 gram, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now you have to cook until you get thick consistency, otherwise you will not get perfect result. So now I have got a thick consistency. This is the proper consistency. Now switch off the flame. You have to pour this quickly over the top of the desiccated coconut, otherwise it will not spread properly. So immediately after taking off from the stove, you have to pour it in the pan. Now with the help of a spatula, I am just spreading it all over. Now keep this in fridge for setting. Till the time the dessert setting, take a bowl for making cream. I am using a Dream Whip powder. In this already there is sugar, so I am not going to add any sugar. If you don't have this powder, you can use a whipping cream and add some sugar according to your taste, and you can whip the cream. So here I have taken 2 sachets. Now for the 2 sachets I am going to add 1 cup of milk. Now with the help of a beater I am going to beat it. If you don't have a beater, you can use a hand mixer. You can see the consistency now, it's being a little bit thickened. So at this point, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. I have a dark cocoa powder, that's why I'm adding only 1 teaspoon. You can add it according to your taste. If you want more chocolatey, you can add around 2 teaspoons. So now again I'm going to whisk it until I get a stick consistency, until my cream is stiff. Now you can see my cream has become stiff. So keep this aside. Now take our set dessert from the fridge. You have to pour this cream on top of it and spread it all over. You can see I have already poured it and I am going to just spread it all over my dessert. Now here I am using Snicker crushed. You can either use crushed Snickers or you can use any dry fruits crushed or sliced, whichever you have at your home. But the Snickers will give a good taste to our dessert. Now I am spreading it all over. Now you have to keep it in fridge for half an hour. After half an hour, my dessert is set. Now I am going to cut it into 6 equal parts. You can either roll it or you can use in the same pattern. This is one of the most delicious dessert and easily it melts in our mouth. So everyone do try this. It's very easy to cook. Elders and child, everyone will like this recipe. If you like this recipe, do share with your friends, give a like, and those who haven't subscribed yet my channel, do subscribe for more upcoming videos. I'll be getting more such delicious desserts and more recipes. Thank you everyone for watching.